As of right now in our society, there's such a few amount of girls going into science.
Many different industries, as you look sort of by decade, you get fewer and fewer women in a lot of those areas, except for sort of more of the traditional service industries or educational communities.
I think girls are a little bit more stubborn and whiny.
If guys see what girls do when they're not around, they're like, oh, she's really smart, she knows what to do. It's not all about looks.
We stuck to our pneumatic device a lot harder than the guys who were more open to switching, and that was a big deal with our group.
And I think most guys just think that from what they see on TV.
Now there's a place.
Come on in.
Where her dreams have room to grow.
Girls just being modeling, girls just putting makeup on. That's not all girls, just because you like to look good. It's just, you don't want to make yourself look bad and just, you know, we just like doing science.
I'm a person who very much believes that there are sort of some very basic biological differences between male and female, and I don't think that those differences are bad, and in fact I think that they're good.
You see boys mostly raising their hands when it comes to science or technology or engineering. You know, girls are like, oh, I don't know if I know the answer, I don't want to be wrong.
The way women approach things versus the way men approach things has a lot to do with how they go about the invention process.
Women have a little bit of a different perspective in the way they approach science, approach doing things and thinking about the world.
We want our girls to guess and, you know, understand that with science you do make some mistakes.
Women bring to the table sometimes a little bit more of a logical, like let's stick to what we know type of thing, where guys sometimes tend to be a little more out there.
Having both men and women in the field, you will create sort of a wider and more interesting body of work, discoveries that would not necessarily have been made because of sort of the unique view that women have and sort of their own innate nature.
And if you can get a team together where someone's out there and the other person's sticking to the facts and you can make it work, then you'll probably have a very successful team because you can actually make something work and keep each other intact.